So I'm attempting to change my fuel filter on the 2002 GMC Yukon XL. There's the fitting that has to come off. So you go to your local parts store and you pick up the proper tool to take that fitting off. There's the fitting in place. It doesn't fit. The tabs that would otherwise fall in and slide inside the fitting of the fuel line to pop the clip so you can separate it. The tool doesn't fit. Two different parts stores, same tool. So now I have to modify the tool to fit. So I've been shaving away at these tabs here, little by little, to try and get it to fit inside the fitting. So I'm almost there. I'm going to try and shave a little more off. I might actually use a screwdriver to poke that into the fitting. See if that'll work. By the way, I'm using a bench grinder, but you can use a file. Take off the excess plastic on those tabs. I'm getting closer. Using the tip of a flathead screwdriver, I was able to push the tab into the fitting, as you can see here. So, again, the other side's a little long, so good luck getting this back out. So, got a ridge on the fuel filter right here. It's gonna keep me from pulling this out, so I'm gonna continue playing around with it until I get both tabs in. I'm gonna make another trip to the grinder. Be right back. Alright, able to get both parts of the clip in. Now let's see if we can release. So we can release the line here, so hold on one second. Alright, that seemed to have worked for me. There we go. And that's the end of the line. Here's what the inside looks like. Let's get a close up there. And that's what you're working against. There's the tool, and there's the end of the filter. Wasn't too bad. Just had to modify the tool to make it work on this application. There's a new clip that comes with the filter, but I'll tell you right now, that clip does not go inside the fitting. So you gotta reuse what's inside of there, as it did not come out with the filter. Appears to have like 3 metal tabs or something. So next part will be removing that nut off the end of the filter on the opposite end. However, the primary focus on the video was modification of the tool to get it off the fitting. Good luck.